LaptopKey.com, your source for replacement keyboard keys. Notice: many times, laptop manufacturers produce keyboards that look the same on the outside, but have different retainer clips underneath the keys. To help you find the correct repair video for your keyboard, we've created a searchable database. Simply go to LaptopKey.com, enter your laptop brand and model number. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on View Videos. A list of all compatible videos will appear. Select the retainer clip model that matches your keyboard. That's all. You're now ready to repair your laptop keyboard.
For this keyboard, we will be showing the removal and reattachment of the K key for standard size keys, Enter for the wider set keys, and F9 for the top row smaller keys. For removal of the standard size keys, use a tool to get between the keycap and the casing underneath the upper right corner. Apply small upward pressure until the keycap comes off. For removal of the retention clips, support the bottom of the clip with your finger and use a tool to apply gentle sideways upward pressure to both of the upper corners until you are able to lift the clip right off. For reassembly, begin with your retention clips. On the bottom clip, there are 2 holes and an upward-facing notch at the top. For the top clip, you will want the smaller flat edge at the top, and you will notice a small circle towards the bottom. Simply connect the 2 halves together, a small click. Then, using metal hooks here and here, you will lay the clip down flat, applying gentle pressure, then placing your keycap back on top with a firm press, and it's reattached. For removal of the wider set keys, take your tool, insert under the keycap, and run slowly around the edge to separate from the clips and metal arm underneath. To remove the metal arm, simply lift up, push to the side, push the opposite direction, and it's free. To remove the retention clips, support the bottom of the clip with your finger and apply gentle upward pressure to both of the corners until you are able to unhook. For reassembly, begin with your retention clips. On the bottom clip, there's a small upward-facing notch towards the top, and on the top clip, there are 2 holes and an opening for the notch on the bottom. Simply connect the 2 halves together. Then, using the metal hook here at the bottom, you will lay the clip down flat, apply a small amount of pressure to the top half. You will then take your metal arm and insert into the holes here and here by inserting one end, followed by the other, and laying down flat. Then take your keycap, place it on top, firm presses around the edge, and it's reattached. For removal of the top row keys, use your tool to get underneath the upper right corner, apply gentle pressure to separate from the clips. To remove the retention clips, support the left half of the clip with your finger, insert your tool, and apply gentle upward pressure to both of the corners on the right side, and it's removed. For reassembly, begin with your retention clips. There is a small upward-facing notch on the right side of the bottom clip, and 2 arms at the very right edge of the top clip. Simply connect the 2 halves together. Then, using the metal arms here and here, you will lay the clip down flat, a small press on the edge, replace your keycap on top, a firm press, and it's reattached.
We'll now show you how to remove a laptop key. Simply pull on the edge of the key in a gentle but firm motion. Lift up and remove the key. It's that simple. If your key is loose and not sticking properly to your keyboard, your retainer clips are likely broken. This issue can be fixed by replacing your retainer clips. Replacement laptop keys and retainer clips can be purchased at laptopkey.com. Laptopkey.com, your source for replacement keyboard keys.